discussed about the resistor, their factors, resistivity, and how it depends on the temperature and nature of the substance. Now, how to find the resistance of the given resistor? You know, on a resistor, you can see 4 color bands. If I say it's a resistor, I can see 4 different bands, colored bands on a resistor. So, if I know how to read all these colored bands, it gives the resistance of that particular resistor. For this, you should remember the color coding. What is that color coding? See, the first 2 bands, these two, 1 and 2 bands, these 2 bands represent number. Third band, it gives multiplier. I'll tell you about this. It means 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, so on. And fourth one gives the tolerance. Means plus or minus that given value. It's because of that particular material. Now, I should remember the order, color, and here first and second band, you know, it represents numbers, and third one multiplier, and fourth one tolerance. Now you have to remember this color coding: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, and for tolerance, gold, silver, no color. You can remember like this: B.B. Roy had a Great Britain, very good wife, wearing gold, silver, and no color. So, how to read this is an important thing now. First, suppose if I ask you to take a resistance of 25 into 10 power 3 ohm or 25 kilo ohm, how to identify this? I told you first 2 numbers, it represents the first 2 colors. And again, okay, if I give the tolerance is 10%. Second one is, see here, 2, red. So it is red. And fifth one, where is fifth one in this? 5. 5 is green. 10 power 3. 10 power 3 is orange. Plus or minus 10%. Tolerance is 10%. 10% corresponds to silver. It means 25 kilo ohm plus or minus 10% is red, green, orange, silver. Same way, we'll take one more example. I'll ask you to find 5.3 mega ohm plus or minus 20%. Write the color coding for this. I can remove this decimal point. Okay, I'll write 5.3 into 10 power. Mega means 6. Ohm plus or minus 20%. Then it is 5.3 into 10 power 6. I can write 53 into 10 power 5 ohm plus or minus 20%. 5 is green, 3 orange, 10 power 5, see 10 power 5 is green, and 20% is no color or white. So color coding for 53 into 10 power 5 ohm plus or minus 20% is this, or 5.3 mega ohm plus or minus 20%. They can give this one color coding and they'll ask you to find the value of that. It's easy.